In this section, we're going to go over just some side swings with a hinge and a toss, and then into some figure eights. A couple of really fun movements that I love. Nice dynamic movements to kind of loosen up and warm up. So let's get started. We're going to put that mace on the side. I'd say even with your arches here, we're going to do a nice hinge and go ahead and pick it up. Just like that. So what we're going to do is just do a nice, almost like a kettlebell swing, and just let the momentum of the mace bring you back. So just hinging those hips. Good. Release down. Let's do that on the other side. Make sure you get a nice hinge in those hips. So this is without the toss. So just really allowing the mace to come up. You can bring this other hand with it if you like, or you can just do one hand. Just feeling the nice weight and momentum of the mace. Good, set that down. We're going to add a little toss to that movement. So again, nice little deadlift here, suitcase style. And we're just going to catch it here. So a little closer to the globe, the mace globe. We're going to give it a little toss and catch. Find your rhythm. Toss and catch. Toss, catch, toss. Good, 2 more. Hinge those hips. Nice. Good, switch sides. On the left. Toss and swing. Catch. Toss and swing. 2. Let's do 5. Hinge those hips. Use your legs. Nice. Quick shake. So again, starting on the right, we're going to add a toss across this time. So as a demonstration, and then you can do it with me after, I'm going to pick that mace up. So I'm going to hinge, catch, and toss. Hinge, catch, and toss. So let's do it with me. Go ahead and pick up that mace. We're going to hold it right here at 90 degrees with the elbow. We're going to toss, hinge, catch, toss, hinge, catch, toss, toss, and hinge, across. Toss and hinge, across. One of my favorite movements. Really good for warming up for the 360. Good, 1 more each side. Good, release down. Quick shake. Next we're going to talk about another movement called the figure eights. So with the figure eights, you're going to be about hip width apart. And just take note as I demonstrate. So here we go. We're going to toss the mace between the legs. Switch hands and bring it up. Switch hands and bring it up. So it looks just like this. So same hand brings it through, touch, same hand through, and touch. Switch hands and touch. So go ahead and pick up that mace, and we go through and on your own. Go ahead and do 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure you come to the center. 7, 8. Tail of the mace goes right through the center. Last one, and 10. So those are the figure